Hey guys, welcome to this video. Is your phone getting slow or some apps are not working properly? Then maybe it's time to clear the cache. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache on any Android phone step by step. So let's begin. First thing is open the settings app on your phone. Next thing is scroll down and find apps or app manager. Now tap on it for app list. From here, you can choose the app you want to clear cache for. Now select any app like Chrome or YouTube or any other app. Now scroll down and find storage. Now click on it. You can see the clear cache. Just do it. And that's it. It will not delete your app data, it will delete only extra files. So that's how you can clear the cache on your Android phone. It's simple, safe, and can help your phone to run smoother. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.